Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one faucet website that pay you DashCoin to your faucet pay instantly. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you DashCoin. Okay, every 5 minutes this website pay you DashCoin, and this is the balance right now. This one up, and every 5 minutes pay you this much DashCoin and 20 times Clime per day. Okay, first go to your faucet pay. Okay, open your faucet pay, copy your DashCoin wallet address. This is your DashCoin wallet address. Copy it and come here, paste it. Okay, you can solve a capture. Okay, you can choose your capture. This is you. Okay, this is the capture. You can choose a solve media capture and recapture, any capture you want. Just choose it and just solve the capture. Okay. And the solving capture is a little bit easier. Just choose the car. Okay, the randomly how much time this will become. Okay, this is the last time. Okay, just click verify and just solve this capture to x0 x0. Okay, x0 x0, this one, and this is the next one, and this is the next and the last one, and just click get reward. Okay, this will pay you instantly in your faucet pay, and you can see this will pay me in my faucet pay. After 5 minutes I can come back and I claim again. Okay, and this is the one of the best faucet website. If the Bitcoin price or dogecoin price or DashCoin price come down, this website pay you much more. You can see this is DashCoin come down, and all cryptocurrency come down. Okay, you can see today is the cryptocurrency coming down. Okay, right now you can see the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, every cryptocurrency come down. Okay, now is dogecoin too. And this website link available in description. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.